I see a lot of times people will have to pay tax twice. They get double taxed because if they own a real estate property, a building, a rental, commercial building, residential, industrial building, and they didn't do a cost segregation study and they put on a new roof, new hot water heater, dishwasher, etc., they didn't componentize that item like a roof. Somebody might spend $80,000 on a roof and they didn't expense the old one when it was replaced because they didn't break out those components. When that person goes to sell that building, they have to recapture the old roof and the new roof, and they get double taxed. These componentized cost segregation studies are so important because you can expense and then use up that useful life that was for the old roof and then start to expense over time the new roof. And the big challenge is not knowing and not having this data. By not doing this cost segregation early, and there's statute of limitation because you can't just go back, amend. There's 2 years from when the tax was paid or 3 years from when the tax return was filed. And so a lot of times the tax return statute of limitation has expired and there's nothing you can do. That's where being proactive, working with a proactive accountant to help you to navigate these whitewaters is so key. So let's connect and let's make sure that you're not overpaying your taxes.